Good morning, dear class. Yesterday we have started the human respiratory system, in which we have understood nose and pharynx. Pharynx, nose firstly where the air enters from the environment, and then it is passed through a passage which is known as pharynx. Pharynx is a common passage for food and air, and then the pharynx passes through the pharynx, the air passes in trachea or the windpipe. Next is larynx. The larynx or voice box is located in the trachea, a short distance away from the throat. The larynx contains two vocal cords that vibrate, making sound when air passes over them. Now, larynx is the voice box, the area which helps us to speak, that is known as larynx. It is also known as the voice box. It contains two vocal cords that vibrate, making the sound when the air passes through them. You can feel the cartilage of your larynx in your throat. It is prominent in males and at the front of the neck, and popularly known as Adam's apple. Now, larynx can be seen, and it is also known as Adam's apple. Next is the trachea. The trachea is a muscular tube. The walls of trachea have rings of flexible support tissue that prevents it from collapsing. Cells lining the trachea also have cilia, which moves dust particle away from the lungs. Now, trachea, just now in the pharynx paragraph you have read, is the windpipe. It is a muscular tube, and the walls of trachea have rings for the flexible support tissue that prevents it from collapsing. Cells lining the trachea also have cilia. Cilia you might have studied, which moves dust particle away from the lungs. Exposure to substances such as silica, asbestos, cigarette smoke, and air pollution can damage cilia and other lungs tissue. Now, you have seen that in many advertisements it is written that smoking causes lung cancer. So this is the reason, because smoking, asbestos or silica, when consumed by human body, damage cilia, and this can cause many problems in lungs. Next is the bronchi. Trachea divides in the thoracic cavity into two bronchi. Singular bronchus, when the bronchi are in combination, they are a pair of two, then it is known as bronchi, and when it is a singular, then we pronounce it bronchus. The right and the left bronchus, after passing through the trachea, the air enters the bronchi. Each bronchus enters a lung. Air is pulled into smaller branches of the bronchi and eventually enters small branches called bronchioles. Now, bronchi is further divided into bronchioles, and the trachea divides into these bronchi. The passage leads to the bronchi. When just now we have read, when in pair it is known as bronchi, and individually it is known as bronchus. The right and the left bronchus. After passing the trachea, the air enters the bronchi. Each bronchus enters the lung. Then this bronchus leads to the passage which is known as the lungs. Air is pulled into smaller branches of the bronchi and eventually enters smaller branches called bronchioles. These were the next three paragraphs: the larynx, trachea, and the bronchi in the human respiratory system. I hope you have understood it.